Hi guys, good morning. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. So this morning, I will show you how do I change the administrator password of the Huawei router HG8245H. So let's get started guys. So first, go to the search box here and type CMD. By the way, I'm using a Windows 8 operating system. Okay, so here in the command prompt, type the command ipconfig, enter. Okay, so as you can see in the screen here, you see the default gateway, this one, 192.168.100.1. That is the IP address of the router. Okay, so next thing to do is open a browser. Okay, so I am using a Google Chrome. Here on the address bar, type the IP address that you get from the image.prom, which is this one. Okay, again we will type the IP address 192.168.100.1. Alright guys, here on the screen as you can see, it will ask you the username and password, which is the admin username and the administrator password. So in my case, I will type my username and then my password. Alright guys, so here we're already inside the control panel of the router. So we'll go to system tools and then go here, modify login password. Okay, so here as you can see, the default username is root, and here old password, then new password. Now for example, I will type my new password here and my old password, and then here you type your new password. For example, admin 123. Then confirm password admin 123, and then you click apply. Alright guys, so that's how we change, or I change the administrator password of Huawei router HG8245H. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Hit like and subscribe. See you on my next video guys. Bye.